Hello my lovely friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we will drawing a simple and pretty whale step by step in a easy style, perfect for beginners. So take your pencil and let's start this fun drawing together. Okay? Okay guys, and our beautiful vase is ready. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me. Today if this tutorial made you smile, please like, share and subscribe for more easy drawings. Sending you lots of love. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.